may know of that solves this problem. It's air hockey. The puck floats on a cushion of air, and the inertia keeps the puck going until it hits a wall or someone else hits it. And you can create something that works on the same principle. And that's why we're in the shop right now. I've got Scott over here to help us out, Mark to help us out. Higginsworth, as usual, you got the great props. I appreciate all the stuff that we needed. And I see that you got us this first, which is a bunch of safety glasses. So I guess safety glass up, guys. We're gonna build a hovercraft. You'll need 2 pieces of plywood, 4 feet by 4 feet. First thing that we're gonna do is to draw a perfect circle. If you don't have a lot of experience working with tools, you should get some help from someone who knows what they're doing. Nice job. That's it. All right, that's good. Set that piece of wood aside, get the second piece of wood, and draw the same circle on that one. Oh, that's perfect. Now, cut out the circles on both boards using a jigsaw. Let me say that again. If you don't know how to use a jigsaw, get some help. Perfect. Okay, let's see how close we were, guys. It's not bad. Center a plastic chair on one of the boards and mark it. Next thing is, here, Mark, go get the leaf blower. We're gonna use a leaf blower to propel our hovercraft. Saw a hole for the hose to stick up through the wood. Mark, take this, fit it up through the bottom and see if it works. See if it works. Perfect. That's all we needed. Trace the position of the hole for the hose onto the other board. Cut that hole and mount the attachment for the hose. Okay, guys, ready? Nice. Lay a tarp on the table and place the wood on top of it. All right, here we go. We're up. Tack the tarp to the surface of the wood that's facing you. Done. Then put the second circle of wood on top and fit the hose through the hole.
Yay!
Nice. Screw the 2 pieces of wood tightly together. Flip it over and mount a ring in the center. Okay. Carefully cut semicircle flaps around the center. Yeah, I think that's gonna be great. Now, flip the wood over, place your plastic chair on the marks you drew, and screw the chair into the wood. So get up here, sit on that.
Okay.
Connect the leaf blower to the hose attachment. Nice. Now, keep your fingers crossed. Let's see if this thing works. Here we go. There's only one thing left to do. Let's take this guy for a test drive. You can't have 2 kids and not have 2 hovercrafts, so we built a second one. We're here at Goddard Middle School in Littleton, Colorado, and this is what we're gonna do. Higgs, this is a great big huge circle. Got it? You are gonna go this way. I am gonna take Mark this way. First one back to this point wins. All right, here we go. Start your engines. Okay, here we go. It's a tie.